I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove an image background using the Affinity Studio application. Step 1. Open the image you want to remove the background from in Affinity Studio. Step 2. Click to select Canva AI in the menu at the top of this screen. Step 3. Click to select your image. Step 4. Click the Remove Background icon. A message pops up showing you the progress of the background being removed. After that message disappears, the background will be fully removed from your image. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.